Hello, my name is Chad Meek and I am an IELTS trainer at KTDC. So I've been IELTS trainer for over 10 years now. I really enjoy what I do. I've helped many students achieve their desired band scores in the past. I also have a legal background as well as being a credentialed teacher in the United States. Well, I usually have a very open learning environment with a lot of interaction between students, have them working together on a variety of projects to improve all four skills, the speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. And it's usually a little bit of serious work and a little bit of fun as well. It's a combination between collaborative learning and inquiry-based learning. We do a lot of pair work in working on solutions to different problems. I also present them with certain problems to solve, give them some resources and let them work on that to find the answer. I'd have to say you have to practice, and I think probably the biggest thing is to expand your vocabulary. Use every opportunity you can to boost your vocabulary and paraphrasing synonyms for those words. It's basically limitless in English. And also constantly changing. So the more you vocabulary practice either by reading or watching things, it's very important to continue that. You can do it, you just have to keep trying. And I just had a student in here who jumped an entire band score from 5.5 to a 6.5. It's our work, of course, here, but also his dedication. And us working together, we can really get to where you want to go.